Hey everyone, in this video I am going to demonstrate the working of temperature and humidity sensor SHT25 using a Raspberry Pi with a Java code. This product is available on our website controleverything.com. The Java code is available on this very site. You just have to click on the resource tab and you will find the Java code there. Click on the Java code and you can download it from here. This Java code is also available on our GitHub repository Control Everything community. Now let's make some connection and see how it works. For making the connections that are required for our project, we need a Raspberry Pi. Now take an I2C connector and gently push over the GPIO pins of the Pi. Take a connecting wire and connect it to the sensor. Please make sure that the brown wire should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor, and same goes for the connector. Take a mini USB cable so that we can power up our Pi. We need a LAN cable to make the connection with the internet. If you don't have a LAN cable, you can also use a Wi-Fi module. So these are the connections we need for our project. Moving on to the working of the sensor. Go to github.com and here search for Control Everything community. Here type in SHT25. We will find our sensor here and here is our Java code. Before moving to Java code, one important note is that we have used Pi4j library on our Raspberry Pi. This is the installation procedure to make it onto Raspberry Pi. Please do it before running the code. Now moving again to code, here is our code with .java extension. We have imported some Pi4j libraries here. This is our creation of class SHT25. This is the address of the sensor and this is the command to measure the temperature. We have written the command here. We have read 2 bytes of data from the sensor and this is the conversion formula for temperature described clearly in the datasheet of SHT25. We have followed the similar procedure to convert the humidity. At the end of the code, we have printed relative humidity and temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, as you can see. So this is our code. Now let's see how it works with the sensor. First of all, copy this entire code and go to the terminal. As you can see, here type in the command for new file with .java extension. Copy the entire code, save the file, and for the compilation process, this is the command as you can see on my screen. This is the compilation in process and we have seen this compilation is successful. Now running the code, this is the command. When I'm running, the code shows the relative humidity and temperature. When I'm again pressing the finger and running the command, the temperature is slightly changed and now again it shows the change in temperature and relative humidity, which is clearly shown on the screen. So this is how our code works. Now let's proceed further. So we have seen the working of temperature and humidity sensor SHT25 using Raspberry Pi with a Java code. This sensor has a lot of industrial applications like power supply temperature monitoring, computer peripheral thermal protection, and so on. The product is available on our website controleverything.com. The Java code is available on this very site as you can see. The code is also available on our GitHub repository Control Everything community. So I hope this article is interesting to you, and if you have any further queries, you can contact us on controleverything.com and be sure to post us on our community page. Thanks for watching.